I'm going to show you today how this simple website can generate you a full online income combined with Digistore24, ClickBank and Warrior Plus. Stick around to the end so you can complete this full tutorial and start making money with this as soon as possible. To start, head to the website called Lumen 5. This is the software that's going to be doing pretty much all the hard work for you. All you need to do is then find the content in the first place, which is extremely simple and straightforward, and I'll show you exactly how to do that as well. So Lumen 5 here, this is a video maker that only requires URLs from blogs or websites, which you'll then be able to build and turn into your own video, which is fully customizable. I'm going to show you today how we're going to utilize review posts and sites alongside with Lumen to then make review videos, which we can then make money using affiliate marketing on YouTube. This method can be done by complete beginners. You just need to follow each step correctly and create your video with me as I'm doing it. So what I want you to do first is sign up to Lumen. This is completely free to do so. Later on, when this method starts bringing you in profit, you can then transfer up to the paid versions, which will then allow you to do more videos and give you better tools. Once you're then all signed up, your page will look something like this. So this is where you can then create your video that will you be using for the method. So all we have to do is click new video here. This will then bring up a page like this, which will give you loads of different templates that you can use to create your video with. These can also all be done with a simple URL from a blog, which then turns into the whole video. There are current YouTube channels now using this method and making money, also with affiliate marketing and other streams of income as well. So as it's so simple to make these review style videos using this software, we can get out lots and lots of content with loads of different videos, increasing our chances of sales. For this method as well, like I showed you at the beginning, we can use a number of different affiliate sites to find the products that we're going to be using. You can then use something like Digistore, which has a lot of software affiliate products on. Or if you want to, you can use something like Warrior Plus as well. Both will work, but there'll be different products on each of them. However, the one that we're going to be using today is ClickBank. Whatever one you choose is completely up to you, but this is the one that I'm going to be using today as I've used it before. So once you've signed up here and you've made your free account, you then will need to go over to their marketplace, which will look like this. So this is then going to give you thousands of different products you can get reviews for. As you can see, they've got tons of different categories you can choose from. Also, these reviews don't have to be written out by you. You don't even also have to own the product, and you don't need to try it either. I'll show you exactly how we're going to get the done for you scripts later in this video. First, we now need to find the right product. So if we go over to a section now, and what I normally do is search by gravity. This will then bring up the top trending products currently. As you can see, that's a gravity of 1,000, you have a gravity of 500, and then it's going to obviously decrease as you go down. So this is the top trending product now that's being sold the most by affiliates and also being bought the most. So the reason why I like using ClickBank is it's very simple. All you have to do is press promote here. It will come up with this tab here, and all you need to do is click enter your nickname and stuff and click generate hot link. That will then give you your affiliate link. So for the next step now, we're going to have to choose a product. So I'm going to use this one here. Use whatever one you want, but this one I'm just going to use it as an example. So once you click through here, you'll then be on the sales page of the product that you want. So you'll see everything about it and see how they're selling it to some customers. What we want to do now is then find a review from the people who've already tried it and tested the products themselves. This is very simple to do so. Some products may have more reviews out there than others, but remember, if you're searching by some of the highest gravities here and you use the top ones, then you're pretty much likely to have lots of reviews on them already. So to find these reviews, we need to get our product name, which is this, and then search it on Google, followed by medium.com. This is just one of the many ways you can do this. I'm only going to show you this way as it's very simple. The Medium is then an article website that allows anyone to post in. This can then generate a ton of content around a single topic. So if you want to find review blog posts about Exipure, like is what I'm doing now, then search through Medium and they'll have a full blog post for you to use and copy and paste over. So now let's say that you wanted to use a different product. Then to do the same thing again, we're going to then change the name here and then use any one of the other products that you found. I wouldn't go below a gravity of 50 as that means the product isn't doing too well. This can also be done without any of the review websites as well. So if we wanted to just write Exipure reviews instead and search for that, you'll then have loads of reviews already done for you as well. You could then do this by using every top trending product from Digistore or then Warrior Plus, and then obviously ClickBank as well. So now you've found multiple different blog posts and reviews that we're going to be using. All you then need to do is then copy the URL and head back over to Lumen, where you can then create the video. So say this is one that I found on Medium. Say I wanted to use this. All you need to do is copy and paste the URL, head back to Lumen, and then find the template that you want to use. This then doesn't have to be too detailed, so find something that's similar to what you're doing the product on, and then move on to the next stage. So say we use this one here, we press use template, then up here is where you enter the URL, and then press import. And once it's fully imported, all you have to do is press convert to video. This will then change the right hand side into the done for you video with the whole script of the review. It may take a couple of minutes, but once that's done, it will then look like this. So now you'll see that this is a complete video with text added to the slides, and this is also completely editable as well. So if you don't like certain parts, or they need to have different photos obviously to go with the text, then you can just change it about. You just change it all through here, through each of the slides. So this is the main workload done for you already. So you now have the full video, and it could be uploaded to YouTube straight away. There's obviously going to be certain slides that you may have to change as the software hasn't picked up the script properly. Also, if everything still has been done properly, I would still change certain parts of it, as remember, you're taking this from a review website. So some of the wording on this review here may not be right for the video style. Other than that, it should be completely finished and ready for uploading. Then once this is all done and you're ready to go, press publish at the top right. This will then save the video completely and have it all finalized. And from there, you're then going to want to move over to YouTube and upload it on a channel that you've already created, or create a new one now and then do that as well. Now, whatever product you chose as well, remember that you have to come back to ClickBank or whatever place you got it from and press promote, and then you'll get your affiliate links. You'll then have to enter them in the descriptions of the videos that you're posting to YouTube, so people can go through your link and then you can receive the commission for that sale. This is just one of the videos that has been uploaded already on the Exipure product that I showed you before. As you can see in their description, they then have the link to the official website, which will be their affiliate link. So all sales will go through them. You can also notice as well, their video has only got 4,000 views. And this was one of the top videos on YouTube when searching for a review on the product. This should then make you feel quite positive, as small views can still be on the first page of YouTube when searching. This method can be very powerful with someone who doesn't have a huge channel, as it's a very niche search on YouTube and not general. As well as it being very niche, you'll find you won't need a huge amount of views to get a lot of sales. People searching for reviews of products are already 90% sold on the product already. They just want to see a final video review of it before they buy. This is exactly where your video will come in. If then directed properly to the link, all the customer has to do is click it and then buy. So low views could still equal high sales. If you found this video useful, then please drop a like and make sure to subscribe for future money making methods.